have woken up and gotten ourselves ready, and we are going to be going down to breakfast, and then we're on the hunt for an exchange place where I can turn my dollars into pesos. That way we can take the bus and, pay for things in pesos because people don't always take US dollars. And then we'll see, maybe we'll try to go to Isla Mujeres today after we get pesos, so that we can take I think it's called a catamaran, like a boat taxi kind of situation, a ferry. We can take a ferry over to Isla Mujeres in the afternoon. So it's going to be a little bit of a day of exploration today. As you can see, the weather is pretty nice, not too windy. It's not supposed to rain today. And I think these clouds will disappear by the afternoon. So come along with us.
Bread. I got an omelet, a tamale, and anything. What are we doing?
Isla Mujeres.
We just booked a tour to Isla Mujeres. It's a little pricey, but I think it's definitely well worth it. It was like 120 per person.
Like 129 a person.
But that's a private small group on the catamaran, and they pick you up from your hotel to take you to the dock where we're gonna go on the boat, and then it includes snorkeling, paddleboarding, lunch, open bar, and you get 2 hours of free time on the island.
Yeah.
So I think that's well worth it.
And the thing is, if we were to try to go snorkeling, because that was the main thing that we wanted to do, was snorkeling. We wanted to do that on the island just by ourselves. It would be like 60 a person anyways.
Right, and then you have to taxi to the dock and then pay for the ferry to the island.
Yeah.
It's just,
and that's like 21 a person for just the ferry.
It adds up to basically the same, and you have to figure all of it out, and
you get less.
Right. So I think this was, and the lady at the concierge desk was very helpful. I wish I got her name. She spoke really good English, and she was just very friendly, very helpful. So we're gonna leave at 1:15, and it's just about 10 now. So we have a little while to kill. We're just probably gonna chill at the beach and wait until our tour starts. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. Cocktail of the day, and we did Zumba together, which Dominic participated in, which I'm really happy about. It was a lot of exercise, but it was really fun. So now we're cooling off. Cheers. It's like 20 to 1, so we have 35 minutes
until we need to be down in the front. So we're just gonna get our stuff together. I made the mistake. I bought these like waterproof like phone case necklaces to wear while we're in the ocean so I can film underwater, and I forgot them at home. But we gotta get packed up and then be ready to go. How was it, Dominic?
It's great.
What did you see?
Very salty.
Yeah. What did you see?
There was a lot of fish.
A lot of fish?
And you would have hated the statues.
Oh, you
Those
saw
things
the
were
statue?
freaking creepy.
Oh no.
But it was cool.
But was it worth it?
Yeah.
Are you glad you went?
I'm very glad. Huh?
Fruta. Try it.
Very good.
This is so yummy. It's so sweet, so fresh.
Yeah.
I was looking forward to this.
The mango is very ripe.
Island fruit is insane.
sunset. Very close zoom in.
Es muy bonita.
Yeah. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. All right. And for us to go.
Bye, Isla Mujeres. Okay, it is 8:30 p.m. And we just got back. And what did you think?
It was great. The snorkeling was definitely worth it. Beautiful, beautiful sunset. I really enjoyed the city part of Isla Mujeres.
Which we learned, the Mayans called it Isla Fertilidad. Fertilidad? I butchered that. It's basically the island of fertility.
Fertility.
But then the Spanish came and saw all these statues of women that the Mayans built and then called it Isla Mujeres because mujeres means woman because of all the statues of the women that they saw. So they just assumed that that's what it was. But the belief was like people would get married and then go to Isla Mujeres and then they wouldn't come back until the wife was like 8 or 9 months pregnant, which I thought that was really fun to learn about. What was your favorite part?
I think that the ride back, we were sitting on the net and it was really beautiful looking at the waters and everything. I think that was the best part.
Yeah. I decided not to snorkel. I had kind of, I think this tour is well worth it. I just felt sick after the car ride there, which I normally don't get motion sickness ever. But I'd say be aware of that if you're going to come to Mexico and do tours and be driven around because people drive a lot differently here than in the US. They have lanes, but nobody really follows them. And it's just kind of windy. People are always swerving and braking.
They don't really stop for like pedestrians and stuff.
Yes, pedestrians do not have the right of way here, so you have to be very careful crossing the street. So yeah, our driver was, I mean, I think it's just how they drive here. It's nothing bad on him. It was making me sick on the way there. And so we got to the dock and I was like, oh God, like I don't want to get on a boat right now.
into going. But what was your favorite part?
I'd say the boat. I was really nervous because I was like feeling really sick. But then I got on the boat and it was really smooth. Walking around Isla Mujeres was amazing. It's very different than Cancun. It's like culturally, you get off and like immediately there are people trying to like sell you goods. And you're walking around and like, you know, people are that's just the culture here. Like people are just trying to sell you things, which is great if you're looking to buy things. We bought some fruit, which was really yummy. And we bought some sandals for both of us.
My one complaint, the beaches or like close to where you dock, the beach is littered with trash from
it was really
the
dirty.
tourists.
Yeah, you dock there, right? And then everybody's like looking for a bathroom immediately. The bathrooms along the beach are disgusting. We just went to like a random resort that we kind of like not snuck into, but like
I mean, we just walked in.
Nobody stopped us, and then we found one of their bathrooms. I'd say if you're gonna stay on Isla Mujeres, I wouldn't recommend it. Personally, I think Cancun is better. But if you're gonna stay on Isla Mujeres, stay further inland, like not right on the beach, because the beach is just kind of dirty and kind of busy. So that's our 2 cents. But the waters were so calm and so blue, and the sunset was gorgeous. Okay, on that note, we do have to get ready for dinner. We are going to the Thai restaurant tonight, which is by the pool. So we're gonna freshen up and get ready to go. All right, we're at the Thai restaurant, which is in this big palapa. And our appetizers are here. We got the shumai and the spring rolls. Alright, I ordered the pad thai, and then Dominic got this chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Oh, so good. So good. Fried ice cream.